Can you be fined for improper use of fog lights? The answer to this question is simply a yes. You can be fined for improper use of fog lights, as driving with your fog lights on when visibility is not significantly reduced, like in rain or drizzle, is considered improper use and can result in a penalty from the police, as it can dazzle other drivers on the road. You should only use fog lights when visibility is severely limited by fog or mist. The amount of the fine depends on the severity of the offence. For instance, if the improper use of your fog lights caused an accident, then the fines will definitely be greater. Let's understand what the Highway Code says. Rule 226 of the Highway Code states that you must use headlights when visibility is seriously reduced, generally when you cannot see for more than 100 meters, which is about 328 feet. You may also use front or rear fog lights, but you must switch them off when visibility improves. And in Section 236, it states that you must not use front or rear fog lights unless visibility is seriously reduced. See Section 226, as they dazzle other road users and can obscure your brake lights. You must switch them off when visibility improves. In addition, the Road Vehicles Lighting Regulations, 1989, which is an important legislation that covers the use of front and rear fog lights, prohibits the use of front and rear fog lights when visibility is not reduced or when the vehicle is parked. It further explains that the fog lights can't be used just because it's drizzling or raining. In fact, if you're caught using them in these situations, you might even face a fine from the police. So, it's important to remember that these lights are only meant to be used when visibility is reduced. Once the fog has lifted, make sure to switch off your fog lights. This is not only a legal requirement, but it's also crucial for ensuring the safety of all road users. By the way, for those who don't know what fog lights are, well, just check your dashboard. There will be a symbol on your car's dashboard or on the fog light button itself. It's normally an amber indicator for rear fog lights and a green one for front fog lights. That was it for today, and we hope your question has been answered. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to always drive safely and responsibly. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more important driving tips and regulations. Stay safe out there, and see you in our next video.